Yo, Money Gang, what's up? What's going on, y'all? This your boy, the Money Man, LaTrent Hill. How y'all doing today? I'm doing fantastic. Y'all don't know who I am. I am LaTrent, of course. I'm here to show y'all how to make some money. Alrighty, today I want to come at you guys today with a quick little opportunity. How would you like to turn $5 into $1,100? Okay, but there is a catch. Okay, the deadline is the 30th. I know I'm coming at this super late, but I just found this out, man. But man, okay, it's this app. Okay, you invest $5. You link your account. You download the app, link your bank account, invest $5, and you simply refer people. You refer 11 people, you get $1,100. So it's $100 on referral. Okay, and like I said, I know it's last minute, but you know, this app is pretty cool. It also allows you to make money outside of referrals as well. So it's something that I definitely encourage you guys to check out. Like I said, super easy, super simple. All it takes is $5. If you guys don't have $5, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, come on now, $5. Everybody has $5 in their pocket, man. $5. Turn $5 into $1,100. Or even if you only get 5 people, I think it's $500 right there, man. You know, but the promo ends on the 30th. Unfortunately, I'm super late. I'm very late, but I'm trying to, you know, as a online entrepreneur, you want to make as much money as you can any way you possibly can. Okay, now the referral program is always available, but the amount of money you make this time is very high. Okay, and the payout for the money won't be until December the 15th. Okay, so it's the 27th right now, so you have a few days to try and get as many people. Everybody should have $5. That's why I said it shouldn't be that hard. I know I'm starting late, but I've already got 4 referrals right now. So, and I just started posting this probably like a couple hours ago. Yeah, it's pretty easy. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. Sign up, link your account, invest your money, and refer people, and that's it. All right, it's a little quick video to boy the Money Man. All right, Money Gang, y'all be easy. Let's make this money. All right.